Today we have a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Angry Neighbor Gets Much Needed Reality Check.
Police rush to a quiet home after a neighbor finds a mysterious woman passed out in his driveway.
She must have called an Uber and fell asleep or whatever.
Okay.
There's been a lot of crazy
Ma'am.
activity over here.
Hey, ma'am. You awake?
She
Hey.
fake sleep.
Open your eyes. Are you awake? Okay, what did you take? You said you gave her Narcan?
I tried, yeah.
Gotta wake up.
Okay.
Like,
What did you take?
No.
You don't know?
No, I'm not telling you.
Okay, well, do you want to tell the firefighters?
No.
Hey, dear.
Well, they need to help you, so they need to know what you
Was
took.
she
I don't care.
Well, your neighbor found you unresponsive and then gave you some Narcan, and it seems to have woken you right up. So you don't have to apologize. I'm just letting you know what's going on right now. No. What'd you take? We don't care. We're just wondering so we can just alcohol and water.
I got a call here, so I have to notate that I spoke to you and that you are okay.
Sure.
You don't know where you're at? You know what year it is? What year is it?
2025.
If I give you 4 quarters, how much money would you have?
I don't know. What the kind of question is that?
It's a pretty easy one.
No, it's not. That's a stupid question.
Sorry.
That's a dumb question. Right at my house. $80 drive.
Yeah.
Why the fuck is this going?
Just stay put for a second.
No, I'm not going to stay for it for a second. Why the fuck did Derek call you guys? Fuck Derek. Fuck Derek. You guys are fucking stupid. Go inside.
why don't you hang-
No,
hang-
fuck all of you. Fuck all of you. I'm an engineer. Go fuck yourself. No, fuck yourself. This is stupid. Nobody called you.
Hey, Melanie.
No. No.
You're gonna hurt yourself.
No, I'm
Just
not
stay
gonna hurt
right
you.
there.
No, you're gonna hurt yourself.
Honey, is this even your house?
Yes, it is my house.
Okay, well, you're gonna hang out here with us.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Go fuck yourself. No. Yeah, go fucking take me to jail. Take me to jail. Take me to jail. Take me to jail. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead, girl. Go ahead, girl. Go ahead, girl. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Have a seat.
No, you have a seat. No, you have a seat.
Have a seat.
No, no. You have a seat. You have a seat. Fuck you. Fuck you, fucking bitch. Fuck you, fucking bitch.
You got her?
Yeah, I got her.
She won't say. She tried going inside the residence while they were
Yeah, I'm at my house. My fucking house.
You said you didn't know where you were.
I'm at my fucking house.
Okay, well, you said you didn't know
Get
where
out
you
of
were.
my fucking house, you fucking bitch. I'll fucking punch your fucking face.
All right.
Let's not talk like that. Let's act like adults.
I'll fucking hate you, bitch. Fuck you.
Hey, let's act like adults.
No.
Let's act like adults.
Alright. Well,
Okay,
get that
thank you.
bitch out of my face.
Okay.
Get this shit off my hands.
No.
No. I'll fucking break it.
And good luck. It's
Alright.
metal.
Well, one thing I must say, and I'm impressed by the neighbor, the guy, the fact that people don't carry this in their home a lot, but it should be in your emergency kit. Narcan, you know, the fact that he had Narcan and, you know, was able to give it to her, you know, for her to wake up or whatever the case may be, is a great thing. I ain't gonna lie. Let me see. Narcan. Yeah. So over the counter, is between $35 and $50 for a 2-dose box. You know, and yeah, you get it from the pharmacies, stuff like that, whatever, Walgreens, yada yada yada. But it even if you don't think that, you know, for drugs or whatever the case may be, whatever, it is something that you should just have in your home though. But yeah, anyway, let's get back to what they were saying. She's definitely under the influence of some. You know, damn, if alcohol just did that alone, she must have drank a lot of it. But at least this ain't one of those DUIs, though. We got to give credit. This ain't one of them DUIs. She made it home, right? The guy said, okay, she must have had an Uber or something like that, and they just dropped her off because it looked like she's at her house, but she ain't make it inside. She just laying on the lawn, you know? but at least she didn't drive. Okay, that's a beautiful thing, man. The only time we see people tore up like this is typically when they driving and getting pulled over for a DUI.
I will.
Yeah, okay.
All right, I will.
Keep looking that way.
No.
Okay, do what you want.
No, I'm not doing this, Mom. I'm not doing this again, Mom.
I'm not your mom.
No, my mom did this to me 25 years ago.
Okay, I'm sorry to hear that. I don't know what she did to you.
No, I'm not doing this, Mom. Get it off of me.
No,
Yes.
no.
All right, then I'll fucking break it myself.
You're gonna stay sitting.
No, I won't.
Yeah, you are.
No, I won't.
Yeah, you are.
I will not.
Just take a
Get
deep
this shit
breath.
off. Hey.
Calm down.
No.
Let's act like adults.
Hey.
How old are you?
48.
So let's act 48, okay?
No, I won't. No, I won't. I will fucking break your shit.
Okay, good
I will
luck.
break your shit.
Good luck.
All right. Thank you for walking me home.
Cool.
Nice. Let him walk me home.
I don't think you're walking home.
Get me off you. Don't touch me. Get the fuck off me.
That's not happening.
Get the fuck off me. No, let him just get the fuck off me. No, not you. Yeah.
You want to bring her to your car?
No.
Or we're going to stand up?
Nope. I'm not.
Ready?
Nope. No.
You're going to get a resisting
No.
charge.
I don't care. I don't give a fuck.
Yeah.
Hey,
You guys need her? You need her on the stretcher now?
We'll get her on stretcher, yeah.
Okay.
No, that guy.
All right, ready? We're going to get you on the stretcher.
Nope, that guy. That guy that just walked me home.
Okay. We're going to get up and we're going to get on the stretcher. Ready?
Nope.
3, 2, 1. See?
No. Get the fuck off me. Hey.
Relax.
Hey.
Relax.
Hey, know him.
I'm not. Set it straight on the gloves. It's over. I can't take anything off. Once I put it on,
Just give us a second. I think she or me will ride with you guys.
Okay, cool.
And you just saw an Uber drop her off, and then she just never...
She called for an Uber. The Uber found her like that, and we didn't know what to do. So for the past 2-3 weeks, it's been going on. My wife and I like go in sober houses. She's a drug therapist, and we kind of know, like, obviously it's gotten pretty bad. She's got random people like out here like mowing the lawn, and they look kind of like, you know, drug users.
Yeah.
So I was just worried. I mean, with fentanyl, I thought she was overdosing too.
All right, well, I appreciate it.
Yeah, you guys do a good job. Thank you guys.
Good night.
That's a stand-up guy right there. Good neighbor.
Sheriffs are better than you.
Put you in the seatbelt. Sit back.
I didn't do it, bro.
Despite the suspected overdose, the woman was never charged with drug possession, only battery on a law enforcement officer for shoving the cop who tried to help her. She entered a plea of no contest to the felony, and the judge withheld adjudication, sparing her a permanent conviction. Instead of jail, she was sentenced to 24 months of probation, $797 in fines, and mandatory anger management classes.
Yeah. It's a good neighbor, man. It's definitely a good neighbor. He did the right thing. He said she called for an Uber. So, like I said, at least she knew she wasn't going to drive. You know, that's the important thing right there. That's really the important thing. She had enough sense. Yeah, she's messed up, but she had enough sense to leave her car in the driveway, get an Uber to whatever she was doing, whether she was going to go out, whatever she's doing. Because people get behind that wheel, man, and they be in that same state the same state that she in. People be passed out at red lights. People be crazy. Like, I gotta give her credit. She was messed up, but she had enough sense to call an Uber and not get behind that wheel, man. And that neighbor did a great job. He got the Narcan. Now it makes sense, though. You know what I'm saying? He's, you know, drug therapist and stuff like that. The wife and all that stuff. It makes sense, you know, but that is something that, you know, people should just have in their home. But anyways, yeah. So I give the officers a 5. You know, it is, well, honestly though, I get the way that she was acting and walking away and stuff, but now, you know what? I'm gonna just end the video there. It is what it is. Whatever. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.